Hello, in front of me I've got Flydigi Vader4 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to adjust configuration preset. In the beginning, let's go to your Flydigi Space Station and select preset. Now you can adjust button mapping, joystick deadzone and curve sensitivity, gyro mapping, trigger vibrations, and general settings. In the end, you can adjust vibrations intensity and map M4, M3, M2 and M1 buttons. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.